You join us on the eve of ISE 2026. I'm here with the main man, Mike Blackman. Mike, what can we expect this week?
We can expect a fantastic event. We already have more exhibitors than last year. We have over 1,740 exhibitors. So that's a big increase on 2025. And the way registration is going at the moment, I think we're in for another record show. We've got thousands of product launches, and I don't know if you had a chance to walk around the show floor yet, that it's unbelievable. When you see the level of the SAM building, what people are showing, really phenomenal.
I guess one of the battles for you is to try and make it fresh every year, I guess, because a lot of us have been to quite a few of these.
And I think that's the thing. ISE is always really motivating. It's always fresh. The first part is the image you get when you walk in and see what the stand design level is. It's far superior to a lot of other shows in any sector around the world. And then on the other side, it's what we put in. So the content program, we've got this year Matt Clark, who did the mapping on Casabatio. United Visual Artist, really cool stuff. He's going to tell you the story behind that. And then we got Sol Rashidi, who was the chief AI architect at IBM, the creator of IBM Watson. So really, really good stuff in there. And new things.
Yeah.
We're going to have a drone show here.
Wow.
So in the past, we've had drone shows here, actually showing how drones can be part of the AV industry, how they're being used as a camera or lights or whatever. And now, and that's been in the indoor stage. Now we're going to show drones in a real situation. We're going to have a drone show every evening from 6:30, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And on Tuesday, we have a live performance of an opera singer with musicians showing how this can be done, and it's all really connected together with the South Access screen.
Where can people find that, Mike?
So when you go out, leave the show by the South Access. It's taking place in front of the Ferragamo.
Oh, wow, okay. I've said it before, one of the strengths, I think, of the show is that every year there's something new to see, right? It doesn't kind of stand on its laurels, a show. I think it's always kind of pushing. You're really clever at kind of looking outside.
Pushing beyond.
Exactly, but kind of looking outside almost the traditional AV industry as well. You've got Spark this week, which is kind of more for the sort of creative community.
Exactly. So the creative community has been pushing us for the last couple of years, saying, hey, we want a platform within ISE. We have customers we want to bring here. We want to show what we can do with all this cool equipment. So we said, okay, let's create something that's a little bit different. So this year, Spark is its activations, its presentations, its discussions, its workshops. It's a mixture of all of this, really focused on the creative industries and how they're using AV as a tool or as a platform to actually create content.
Sure. And how do you find this week personally yourself? Because there's so much build up to this. How are you? Your feet don't touch the ground this week? How does it?
They really don't. They didn't start. They stopped touching the ground last week. It's unbelievable, the interaction and the interest from this city, this region in AV and in ISE. I think we're proud to be in Barcelona. I think Barcelona's proud to have us. It's become a great host city for ISE. In how they're interacting with us, the support we get from the regional government, from the local government, from the citizens, from the organizations here. They've really engaged with ISE.
Yeah. Well, let's look forward to a fantastic week. I know it's going to be great. Mike, congrats so far and good luck for the rest of the week.
Thank you, Paul.